on the Season 2 finale of Chalkboard Ch.
When you look at Department of Rehab and you see how we change lives every day, that's what motivates me.
We sit down with Mississippi Department of Rehab Services Executive Director Chris Howard about the Mississippi ABLE program.
It's a great opportunity for individuals to save for the future. When I speak to people, I say it's a win-win-win. Earnings that an individual earns off this account is tax-free.
We'll also chat with Mississippi State Treasurer David McRae concerning the passing of the ABLE Age Adjustment Act.
Currently, the ABLE Act stops someone from getting into the program around the age of 26. The Age Adjustment Act would increase the age of eligibility to be in this program 20 years. Call the congressman, call their House rep, call their senator, and say, I want to see the ABLE Age Adjustment Act pass through D.C.
New episode next Friday, September 17th. Chalkboard Ch, an MPB Education Podcast.